Robbie. Hi, I'm Robbie. My name's really Bowen. She is Robbie, and this is Robbie and Bowen. Bowen, Robbie. Okay? Gotcha. Okay.
Nothing you care about? It's just something you don't care about. Cooking.
Yeah.
You love gonna be cooking. Okay?
Yeah. But never eat the cooking stuff. Okay? So that's what our cooking show today is. See you. Bye.
Hello everyone and welcome to the BS channel. Yes, where we do BS cooking here. And you'll find that I really love dancing. So once in a while you'll see some dancing on here. Every once in a while I like to give nutritional advice. I also like to give life hacks and other little advice. So whatever, every once in a while I get that. But mostly you'll be seeing different ways that you can cook, especially with certain diet restrictions. I'm going to hopefully teach you how to be able to work with your allergies and also help you eat with certain issues you may have, like autoimmune diseases, whether you're diabetic or whatever, things that will help you be able to in some cases even be able to overcome. My father-in-law had diabetes. He actually had it a few times in his life, but my mother-in-law was able to completely correct it by just simply letting him eat healthier. That was it. So eating healthy is definitely a way of medicine and is the best way. And if we can avoid, medications and having to go to the doctor often, then why not? If it just takes putting something better in your mouth and in your body. Yes. Here's my son Riley. I am a mother of 5 kids. So I used to be one of those who, believed the man on the commercial when he stated that this wonderful thing like yogurt or a pill would cure everything, would make your digestive system work beautifully and you'd lose all this weight. So I was a believer of all that, and it got me absolutely nowhere. I thought that exercise was the key to losing weight, and I did a whole lot of that. But it is a key to staying healthy and being healthy. But the biggest part of health is what you put inside your body. And I used to be overweight, and I'm going to show you some pictures of how I used to be overweight. And remember that losing weight, you're not doing it to look good. You're doing it so that you feel good. You're doing it to be healthy, not to lose weight, but to be healthy. You want to be healthy. You want to be in good shape. It's not about like, I'm so skinny and I've got the tiniest waist and the most beautiful face. It's about how you are doing inside, a more quality life, a quality life. And so that is what your goal is. Remember, it's about working to be healthy, not working to be gorgeous. And if gorgeousness comes out of it, it's just an added bonus. So I'm going to show you these pictures of me. And because I've been there. It's a journey. Remember, it is a journey. It is not an overnight thing. And this has been a year's journey for me, figuring out step by step, making lots and lots of mistakes until I came to I know it works. And even now and then when I know it works and I feel like fatigued and tired, I'm like, I know how to fix it. I just need to quit, eating certain things that particularly for me cause me to have inflammation and or feel tired when I eat it. So if I stay away from those things, then I'm pretty good to go. And if I eat healthier and have a good mindset. All right, so let me show you those pictures. Okay, here I am at 17. I apologize for the quality of the picture. It's a picture of a picture, and they're quite old. And here is a close-up of my face. As you can see, my cheeks are pretty rosy, and there's a lot of discoloration. And I had that problem a lot. Sometimes, as you can see in the next picture right here, that it's not so bad, but you can see my face is quite larger. I am not wearing any makeup in this picture as I was in the other one. I just had some eyeliner and lipstick on. And take note that now here I am at 30. My face is much thinner. It is much clearer. There's no redness. I am wearing absolutely no foundation, just lipstick and a little eyeliner and mascara, and that is it. And here you can see side by side me at 30 and me at 17, the difference. And here again, no makeup in these pictures, me at 17 and here me at 30. And you can see my skin is much clearer. And here, flashing across the screen, you can see that this is the web page you can go to actually read the full story with those pictures there if you'd like. So in case you couldn't see it very well, it's lemonade stand lifecoach.weebly.com. So if you want to go there and read my little blurb, it's in the section, that's the little blog section or whatever. So you can go there and look at that and look around. And anyway, enjoy. So there you go. There's my pictures. I'm now 36 years old. It just goes to show how eating healthy does make a big difference. It amazed me how my skin cleared up and everything. Just remember that it is a journey and a process, not an overnight fix. So when you have finally come to terms with that and accepted that, then you will be able to move forward and you will be able to see the results and you'll be able to be happy along the journey and be excited for the small victories. And so, yes. Good luck and yay, and I hope that I can help in some way. Alrighty. Well, we shall talk to you later. Remember to BS your way through life.